Hello, I'm Michael Davey. I've been a doctor for 28 years and I'm also a qualified counsellor who runs emotional wellbeing workshops for healthcare professionals. I realise the immense strain that the NHS workforce is under at the moment due to coronavirus. I've therefore put together this short 3-minute video to introduce you to a tool, the Emotional Energy Matrix. This tool can help you to avoid burnout, something of which I have had personal experience. It's easy to use and it will help you to check in with your energy levels and emotions any time of day, even in the middle of a busy shift. Let me explain the matrix to you. The matrix has 2 axes. In the vertical axis you have your energy levels, which can be high or low, and these can vary week to week, day to day, even moment to moment. On the horizontal axis you have your emotions, which can be positive or negative, and again these will vary. When you have high energy and positive emotions, then you are thriving. When you have low energy and positive emotions, you are reviving. When you have high energy and negative emotions, you are surviving. And when you have low energy and negative emotions, you have burnout. In my experience running workshops, a large proportion of healthcare professionals spend too much of their working week surviving, typically reporting 60 to 80% of their time in this mode, and coronavirus can only have made this worse. We all have our limits. If people spend too much time just surviving, then they risk dropping down into burnout. It is therefore vital that doctors, nurses and other healthcare workers ensure that they spend some time reviving. Have regular breaks during the day away from your department to eat and drink. Ideally go with a colleague so that you can debrief any challenging or traumatic situations that you have faced. And of course talk about normal life too. When you're away from work, connect with family and friends via Skype and social media, and engage with some self-care, whatever that looks like for you. So, the good news is that if you allow yourself time to revive, then you can avoid burnout and be there for your patients and colleagues tomorrow, the day after, and right to the end of this crisis. I hope that you found this useful. In the description below, you will find a link to my website, drmichaeldaveywellbeing.co.uk. Here you will be able to download a photo of the Emotional Energy Matrix, which you can download onto your phone and keep it with you at all times. This photo has a more detailed description of each part of the matrix. Think about sharing it with colleagues in your team. In my experience running workshops, teams find it extremely useful to have the shared language and structure that the matrix provides. This allows them to check in with each other and to support each other too. You will find other useful resources on my website. Thank you for all that you're doing, and stay well.